Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Are you tired of a dull and outdated bathroom mirror? Look no further. In this video, we will take you on a journey through the latest modern washroom mirror designs that will transform your bathroom into a luxurious oasis. From sleek and minimalistic to bold and statement making, we will explore the top trends and styles that are dominating the world of bathroom design. Whether you are planning a full-scale renovation or just looking to give your bathroom a quick refresh, this video is packed with inspiration and ideas to help you create the perfect mirror for any space. Rectangular mirrors are ideal for larger bathrooms. Rectangular mirrors provide a sense of grandeur and can be mounted horizontally or vertically to create a unique look. Round mirrors are suitable for smaller bathrooms. Round mirrors add a touch of elegance and help you the illusion of a larger space. Oval mirrors are versatile options. Oval mirrors can complement both traditional and modern bathroom designs and are particularly effective in similar spaces. Arch-shade mirrors add a touch of sophistication with an arch-shade mirrors perfect for bathroom with high ceiling or ornate fixtures. Measuring the width of your venti or sink area to determine the maximum mirror size. A general rule of thumb is to choose a mirror that is 1 or 2 inches narrower than the venti. Larger mirrors can make a statement but may overwhelm a small bathroom. Smaller mirrors can create a more intimate feel but may not provide adequate reflection. If multiple people will be using the bathroom, consider a larger mirror to accommodate everyone's need. If you are choosing a framed mirror, factor in the frame's width when measuring the space. Ensure the mirror is proportional to the bathroom fixtures and furniture. Position the mirror above the sink or venti to create a sense of continuity. Consider the lighting in your bathroom and how it will affect the mirror's reflection. Ultimately, choose a mirror shape and size that reflects your personal style and meet your functional needs. By considering these factors, you will be able to find the perfect mirror shape and size to elevate your bathroom's design and functionality. Join us as we dive in the world of modern washroom mirror designs and discover the perfect reflection of style and functionality for your dream bathroom. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.